So this noise literally woke us up around 3 a.m. It's after 4 a.m. and we're hearing this through the entire sky. We know it's not a plane. We've heard trains this morning, and can't debunk what this sound is for over an hour. It sounds like it's coming from all sides of the sky. Not sure what it is. Constant sound from the sky for over an hour.